Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But
Welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make this DIY neem powder for massive hair growth. This Ayurvedic treatment is really good at growing your hair fast, longer, healthier, thicker and voluminous. From my previous video, people asked me a lot of questions: where do I get my neem leaves? Honestly and truly, these neem leaves grow everywhere in where I come from. I live in Tanzania, so this tree, we call it Mwarobaini, and it's popular. It's nearly everywhere. So I just plucked a few leaves that I'm going to use them to make the neem powder, DIY neem powder for massive hair growth. Whatsoever, we're going to firstly clean this up, then I'll proceed telling you further benefits of this neem powder, and I'm also going to leave some in the description box. Be sure to check it. I went ahead and plucked the neem leaves from the stem, and this is how they look like after. So here they're ready to be washed up and letting it to dry in the sun, because we are making the neem powder that's going to help you with your scalp. By the way, this neem is really powerful when it comes to preventing scalp issues, especially scalp infection. It's really good if you're suffering from dandruff or itchiness. It's going to help you cure that, and also it has antifungal properties that are really good at stopping any infection from the scalp. So it's going to promote massive hair growth from your scalp. So feel free to make this powder. Superstar, here is the neem leaf washed, and I allowed it to drip, so we don't want to add here with lots of water, because if you don't have enough sunshine you're going to rot the leaf. So I tried as much as to let it drip for its own before putting it to the tray, ready for putting it in the sunlight. I know there are my queens out there who are going to be really impatient and thinking you can just throw this into a microwave. And no honey, no, we are going to do this the old school way, because we want to reap all the full effect of this leaf. So we're going to leave it in the sun for a couple of days or couple of hours, depending on the intensity of the sun outside. As you can see, it's not so sunny, so it's gonna take some time. However, there are a bunch of benefits. This powder is going to stop your hair from breakage. As you know, consistent breakage leads your hair to baldness, because you have no hair, everything is breaking out. So this powder is super powerful and super potent, because it's really good at stopping head lice if you're suffering from lice in your hair, as well as any scalp inflammation or infection from bacteria or fungus. It has a bunch of anti-fungi, and it's really good detox for your scalp. So it's all about scalp, baby. We are treating the scalp so the hair can grow out right, and when the hair grows out right, it cannot stop growing. At least use this once every week on your deep conditioner. This is day 2, and this how the leaves are. The progress is good. You can even hear the crunches. Let me make one thing clear. Here we're not going to put this outside the sun, because we want to have the pigment, the green pigment from the leaf. So where I put this to dry is inside the house, a place where sunlight can reach but not directly. So you might want to consider that while preparing this neem powder, because the minute you put this in the sun, this leaves is going to turn brownish, and that's not what you want to make. Let me show you. see this brown color, that's how it's gonna turn if you put it in the direct sunlight. So superstar, here is day 3. As you can see, the crunch it just breaks literally. So at this point we can grind it, but unfortunately I have no power today, so we're going to grind it maybe in day 4. So we're leaving it for 1 more day, but at this point it's really ready. As you can see, it dried with its green pigment. That means we are going to reap all the full benefits of the neem leaf for massive hair growth whatsoever. We're leaving it just to wait for power. It is day 4 and I'm going to grind it. It's ready, as you can. All turning to pieces. And this is the place we have been drying them leaves, inside the house. Like, I did not put it outside the sun. I just kept it, and the sunlight that gets through the house is enough to dry these leaves. Yes, it has taken me a couple days, but it's worth it. You don't want to lose that green pigment, because the moment you put it in the sun, it turns brown, and that's not what you want to make. You want to make perfect neem powder for massive hair growth. This green pigment that you are retaining here, we don't want to lose it. It's because it's the one responsible for hair growth, so we want to get the full benefit. Superstar, here we have the neem powder. This powder can be used, you can mix this powder into your deep conditioner, You can also mix this with some water and make a very nice leave-in conditioner to spray on your hair. It's super beneficial because of its property. I'm going to list them, all of them, in the description box. Be sure to check it. Also feel free to comment, share and like this video if you're getting massive values. Also, I would like to leave you with this video where I show you how I mix this neem powder to a deep conditioner, so stay tuned to it. It's dropping soon. Be sure to follow me on all my social media accounts, and I'll see you guys in this video, so be sure to check it. It's really powerful and it's going to grow your hair massively. Until next time, bye bye.